Hi everyone, my name's Elizabeth from TPAS Cymru.
And I'm Alicia from Taipao.
So we're here today with some really exciting news. Some of you will remember 3 years ago we launched our Flawed report, a collaborative report between Taipao and TPAS Cymru. And 3 years on, Welsh Government are about to publish their WHQS2023 standard that is inclusive of flooring as mandatory. We're absolutely delighted that this is going to be implemented as standard, but we know many of you are going to be wondering how to implement this standard within your own organisations. Well, you'll be pleased to know, over the past 3 years, Taipao and TPAS Cymru have been working together with members across Wales to gather lots of good practice examples, how people have changed their flooring policies internally, and how we can share that with you.
And in that time, we've also conducted some research with our members, with social housing providers, looking at their practices, especially the organisations that showed good practice and changed their policies on how they provide flooring for new lets for their tenants. That has all been compiled into a compendium, and it's called Flawed, 3 years on, and we are excited to be launching it on the 27th of September at a joint online event. So if you'd like to join us and learn more, have a look at our websites, click on that link and book on. We're looking forward to seeing you.
See you there.
Diolch.